Further member status, the member from Kenora Rainy River.
Thank you, Speaker. On behalf of the people in Kenora Rainy River, I would like to extend my deepest sorrow and heartbreak to the community of Pikangikum, who lost a family of 9 to a house fire this last week. The impact of this tragedy was felt across the province, where people everywhere reacted with horror and heartache. Vigils were held in communities across the riding, and the community of Sandy Lake in particular rallied together to deliver a truckload of donations to help the people of Pikangikum. While the cause of the fire is still being investigated, what is already known is that in many First Nation communities, many are left without basic fire suppression equipment such as fire trucks. They lack enough trained volunteers and have no 911 service. Inadequate housing with severe overcrowding serves to further compound these issues. In the case of Pikangikum, where 95% of the homes don't have running water, there is a fire truck, but the roads were in such terrible condition that tragically the truck did not make it to the fire. Speaker, we cannot sit idly by and watch while these deaths needlessly occur. We can't blame other levels of government or continue the legacy of stalling and delaying. When listening to members of the community as well as NAN Grand Chief Fiddler and Ontario Regional Chief Day, we know the work that needs to be done. Ontarians across this province are looking to this government and to this Premier to act boldly to create a safe and fair society for all Ontarians.
Thank you.